Hello and welcome to my Office Ergonomics tips and tricks. So I'm going to show you how to use some of these Yamuna balls to get a lot of releases done while you're sitting and working at the computer. I'm sitting in an old dining chair and not really a traditional desk, so I want to use these so that I can do longer hours and not wreck my body while I'm sitting in not my perfect office setup. So I'm going to take this ball, these two black balls, and I'm going to put them right under my sit bones. And then I can bring my heels back onto my Yamuna foot wakers. So get the perfect spot there, like so. And I can just stay here. They're right on my sit bones, which are the little bones that are at the base of the pelvis, right at the top of the thighs. So I can sit here and work like this, and boy, it's just like sinking into that tendon insertion. It's massaging some stiffness in my hamstrings, and then I can continue to take them down the leg and just let my legs go back like so. And again, if you're working for a while, you find these juicy spots that you want to release, and then I'm just going to go ahead and work them, find a new spot. I'm going to get these about halfway down, and I can just sit here like this. This is pretty comfy. I can let my legs hang because that gives me nice weight bearing in there. And then I can continue to keep working down the thighs. All right, again, I'm sitting on my sit bones, I'm back, I'm using the support of the back of the chair. If I need to, I can scoot in a little bit. I feel like I'm a little far from the computer, that's better. And then one of the really great spots is really get it behind the knee and crank that knee in there. Put the ball of your foot on the wakers and do the other one. So I really get it into the back of the knee. Let me show you again on this side. So there's all the four corners. There's my kneecap. Really get it in the back of the joint and get that ball in there like that. And this one is fantastic. I can stay here for a long time. It's opening up the back of my knee. It's softening the front of the knee, and I can just type away. So this is a great one. So that is the back of the thigh routine with Office Ergonomics. If you like that video, please share it with someone you know that might need it so they can subscribe themselves to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to like and comment below if you have any comments. And most of all, have a great day.